New data from the CDC shows more than 82 million doses of the COVID-19 vaccine have been wasted since the start of the pandemic. ABC 17's Hannah Falcon is live at the Columbia-Boone County Health Department after talking to some health leaders about how much vaccine waste is happening right here in mid-Missouri. And Hannah, right now, more than half of Missourians have received one or more doses of the COVID vaccine.
Deb, the demand for vaccines has significantly slowed since they were first introduced, but now healthcare professionals don't always use the whole vial before they have to throw it out. But I spoke to some healthcare professionals about what they're doing to try to limit the amount of vaccines they waste.
There isn't a preservative in the vials. Once you actually pierce a vial that you start using, you have to put not only the date but the time that you do that, and you just have so much time to administer that.
Nearly 20 million COVID vaccines were disposed of just this year. According to CDC guidance, vaccines must be thrown out when they expire. There's not enough in the vial to be a full dose, or it's not stored at the proper temperature. Bill Morrissey with Kilgore Pharmacy tells me they try to limit how much waste they create.
Some of our stores have started to cut back on the days that they offer the vaccine to try to encourage more people to come on the same day to minimize that, but it's very hard to drive human behavior.
Some of the vaccines that you can keep in ultra cold storage can be kept there for months. And that's actually one of the ways that we cut down on our wastage.
Trina T. Cutter with the Columbia-Boone Health Department tells me they administer vaccines every day, but they also have strategies to limit waste.
There are also certain days that we take some of that vaccine that we have left and use it for our folks that are homebound that also need boosters and things for COVID. So we try to use as much of the vaccine as possible each day.
And Boone Health sent me a statement saying it disposes of the vaccines when they expire according to federal guidance, and quote, while we do not release the specific numbers regarding our discard inventory, the number of discarded doses is a small fraction of the amount of doses given out, end quote. Reporting live from Columbia, I'm Hannah Falcon, ABC 17 News.
Okay, Hannah, thank you. And public health workers also encourage people to report the results of their at-home test to the health department so they have the most accurate number. And